Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export audio only on CapCut PC. Alright guys, as you can see here, I have already created a project on my CapCut PC and I'm going to play the video first to show you how it looks. Okay, and we're going to export this video as audio only. So we can go to the export button. We can tap on this export button right here. Then you're going to click on this button. Tap on this checkbox button. Then you can select the format that you want to use for your audio. And there are some formats for you. You can choose MP3, WAV, AAC, and FLAC. But then since we want to export as MP3 audio files, so we can click on the MP3 format. And then we can simply tap on export to export this video as audio only. Okay, and now the audio has been exported, and that's how we can export audio only on CapCut PC. Hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.